Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing some Car Crushers 2. Only Car Crushers 2, but I gotta hurry up because I only have like 15 or 16 minutes on my time limit. So I gotta hurry up and do this because that's a new time limit. For my laptop, it wasn't like this. It wasn't like that kind of. So yeah. So my laptop got more time, but I wanted to do it on the Apple computer because that other laptop computer always like glitch. I mean that other computer that I was working on for the capture performance with Platinum Forces always glitches so much. Not even know why. It just does. I don't even have the energy core bass, but who cares? Let's just see how close. Oh, I like this core. Dang it. It's gonna kill me, right? Oh, it just sent me back. It didn't even kill me. The core looks so awesome. I love the core. I just wanted to see it in the real game. Yeah. So I already unlocked some vehicles. I already unlocked this little van that I have. And I'm gonna be doing multiple part of the series. I'm gonna be doing multiples and multiples and multiples. Actually, instead of playing Car Crushers, I have a better idea. Instead of Car Crushers, let's play that other game that we played on home. I forgot what it was. It was like the city Rose Ridge, yeah. Cause it's just like Liberty County, and I don't have Robux for Liberty County, so it's just like Liberty County. And I'm gonna be uploading videos daily, so don't worry. Noah is coming with daily videos, so that's cool. It's loaded. Hurry up! I got a lot of money in this game. So obviously, when you're in this game, you obviously start with your Kia. Wait, what happened to that Kia that I had? Don't tell me you have to buy every vehicle that you had again. Oh, that would be just, yeah. Okay, everybody owns this vehicle. Then where is it? Did it spawn in yet? Yo, where's my Honda? If I already own this vehicle, then like, what? I don't understand. I already own the Honda CR-V, then why is it like bullying me like right now? Okay, there we go. That wasn't there before. Okay. So there's no police update. How many citizens? How many police and citizens? So wait, it's not let me click. Sorry. There's like no police dudes. Okay, there's only one person working at the police and one person working at the pizza place. Oh my god. That's just like, oh my god. So let's go. The game's glitching because it's not letting me move my car. This game is glitching. I'm gonna jump out, then jump back in and see what happens. Yeah, I wasn't moving, but I was reversing. Okay. Zoom in, zoom out, no, too zoomy. Try to get the right angle on my Honda. Okay. So we better be careful and obey the speed limit. Speed limit, if you didn't know, is 25 miles per hour. But right here, we can literally floor it. But I didn't get caught by police. Let me go slow again. There's no red light here. These houses actually look kind of cool, except you have to buy it. I hate when you have to buy your houses. Is it a game pass or? Oh, this house is already owned, right? Oh yeah, this is already a house owned, so that won't work. How about over here? Click the purchase home. Oh, I forgot. So that's luxury home pass. There's actually different homes that are not luxury in a city. So probably I can get those for like 800 bucks. Since I already have like 1,000. And then I need 500 more to purchase another car that I really want. This car was only like $500. Yo, that dude's wrecking stuff. Yo, I need to go to a police department and do a police report. I believe it's like somewhere like this way. And then go this way. And go this way. It's inside like the trees and stuff. That's where the police department is. It actually might be under the bridge. Actually, since there's no police officer now, so now I could just floor it. I don't even care if I'm in a red light. I can just floor it. Okay, this thing cannot. I hear a siren. I'm gonna do. Okay, I hear a siren. I'm done. I'm done. I'm just gonna wait here. You might not hear the siren, but I do, so I'm just gonna not run late. And wait till it turns green. Okay. The light turns like so often, like quickly. Oh my god! I just saw that Lamborghini went into the river. Yo, I'm gonna skip that light because I'm a savage. And I can actually make this turn. This is not illegal. I can make the turn when it's because I'm not going the way that the red light is. Oh my god! There's a fire. There's literally a fire. Yo, I have to turn my. Does it actually kill you? There's a fire. The fire burnt the vehicle. Fire. Directly at me. I just went in a fire. I don't want to say that. No, it doesn't hurt me. Okay. I'm walking in a fire, blazes. Oh, I thought it was out. I was on fire for a sec. Let me actually get in my car because, like, the police is here and they're like, they say back up or something. Oh, that police officer's blocking up. Oh, wait. Is there like no police officers left now on the server? There's no police officers, so you can like run a lights and stuff. I'm keeping an eye on that police officer sign. I'm running a line and pushing you back. But I kind of want to stay here near the fire. There's like the fire department and rescue on Coco's team. So he better get back down here. I was just looking for the police station to report that guy and then like that hit my car or hit the car into the river. But like, wow! Next I see water. Next I see fire. Oh my god, the only part that'll be a part of my choir. This is crazy. My god, look at this fire. And that fire looks so detailed too. I don't know about the anime, but this fire looks so detailed. Woo, firefighters! Woo, fight the fire! Woo! Firefighters! Woo! Fire! 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 I'm gonna jump on top of the truck. Can I actually steal it? Oh yeah. Don't just reset me if I try to steal the truck. Oh no, someone's car. It's burned on fire. He must have like not. He didn't see the cone thing. He must have like tripped on the cone, and then he must have got into the fire. We all left our cars here. Let me actually move my car because I want to see what's happening here. I don't care. My car light on fire. Okay, they're extinguishing the fire. This reminds me of the pizza place when they extinguish the fire. But okay, guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. I'm gonna keep playing with these guys. How do I not put full screen? Yo, is that my car? Oh, there's my car. So guys, I'm gonna actually leave the game. This is gonna be the end of the video. Please like and subscribe for this video because I love you guys every single day of my life. Look, I'm so close to living. I believe that's like 15 and then 12. So this is gonna be the end of the video right here because I'm near I've passed my kind of time. So please, peace and goodbye.